In this video, I'll show you how to add a drop shadow in Figma. Start by opening Figma and selecting the file that contains the element you want to apply the shadow to. Once your design is open, click on the shape, image, or text layer you want to edit. Next, go to the right-hand panel and scroll down to the Effects section. Click the plus icon to add a new effect. From the drop-down menu, select Drop Shadow. You'll immediately see a shadow applied to your selected element. Now, you can customize the shadow by adjusting the settings. You can change the blur to control softness, the X and Y values to adjust position, and the opacity to control how strong the shadow appears. You can also change the color of the shadow to match your design style. Once you're satisfied with the look, simply click anywhere outside to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a drop shadow in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.